Welcome, Majestic Magnolias, to Science, Chapter 1, Science in Our World. So we're going on to Section 1 in our science books, okay? We're going to be in Chapter 1 next week, and it's page 4. Now, I'm not telling you to read the chapter, but I do just want to give you an overview as to what we're going to be talking about next week, okay? So Section 1 is Science and Scientists. Science is a process of gathering knowledge about the natural world. Science involves making observations and asking questions about those observations. Doing research, making observations, and doing experiments are ways to search for answers to questions. Many different careers use science, including zoology, auto repair, oceanography, and volcanology. Can you think of any other careers that include science? Come on, give me a really good guess. That's absolutely right. That career does involve science. In Section 2, we will be talking about scientific methods. Scientific methods are the ways in which scientists answer questions and solve problems. These are our 4 methods that we will be using for our classroom projects. 1, we will make an observation. Observations often lead to questions or problems. Observation, to observe something, is to gather information using your senses. 2, figure out a hypothesis. A hypothesis is a possible explanation or answer to a question. A good hypothesis is testable. Basically, a hypothesis is just an educated guess. 3, we're going to analyze our results. 4, we're going to draw conclusions as to whether our hypothesis is supported. Then we're going to be communicating our results to allow others to check them out or continue to investigate our problem. Section 3 talks about scientific models. The picture you see is an example of a physical scientific model. Section talks about scientific theory versus scientific law. We're definitely going to go in deeper into this topic. A scientific theory is a unifying explanation for a broad range of hypotheses and observations that have been supported by testing. A scientific law is a summary of many experimental results and observations. A law can describe what happens, but does not explain why it happens.